What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're going to go live for our second team random, 421. I don't even have it pulled up, but I'm live. You can see right here. How's it going, everybody? So we got all the names right here. We're going to go 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. We got Michael on top and Kyle on the bottom. I got to get a new list. Cool. So Michael on top, Kyle on the bottom, and now for the teams. 1, 2, and 3. Edmonton on top. Michael, rolling the dice with the McDavid. So, Bordelot, you got Edmonton, Witter, Pittsburgh, Landon, you got Philly, Eric, you got Florida and Calgary, Jason, the Devils, Patrick, the Coyotes, Michael, the Avalanche, Brian, you got Tampa Bay, Joe, you got Vancouver and LA, Patrick, the Senators, Eric, the Rangers, Jason, the Wild, Grant, the Hurricanes, Patrick, the Canadiens, McDonald, the Sabres, Rubel, the Stars, Joe, the Capitals, Grant, Anaheim, and Columbus, Rubel, the Predators, Brian, the Maple Leafs, Michael, the Bruins, Landon, the Islanders, Kyle, the Wings, Jason, the Blues, Patrick, the Blackhawks, Landon, the Jets, and Kyle, the San Jose Sharks.